Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Jan as Mommy. In today's video, we are going to see how to make paper flowers very easily at home. You would have already seen these paper flower decorations in my birthday vlog. This decoration piece of paper flowers will give a different look to your decoration. And moreover, these flowers are very stylish and you can customize it to any color of your choice. Let's see how to make it. Let's see the first one. For this you need some color papers, 6 pieces of each 10 by 15 cm and 8 by 12 cm, 5 pieces of 6 by 10 cm and 4 by 8 cm. We're going to use these rectangle pieces to make petals for the flower. Keep all these papers ready before you start making the flower. Let's begin with making petals. Take the smaller one out of the 4. Take one single piece and fold it into lengthwise. Draw a curve from one end to other to get a petal shape. Draw the curve in one side of the fold and cut the rest to get a petal shape. We have got the first petal with the small piece and we are going to keep this petal piece as a stencil. Trace out and cut the rest of the small pieces. Now 5 small petals are ready with us. Let's begin with the next set of petals. Here I have taken the next paper size, folding it lengthwise. I'm going to use the smaller petal as a stencil and drew a little bigger curve. Draw the curve from one end to other like how we did for the smaller petals. Repeat the process for the next set of papers. Now we have all the petals with us. Let's begin with making the flower. Before that, we are going to give more natural look to the petals. For that, you have to cut the narrow end of the petal, roll a pen in broader end of the petal, then we are going to paste or overlap the cut ends. You have to get a bend, something like this, to get a natural look to the petals. Now let's begin with assembling. Take a small piece of paper. Make a loop using a string and attach it with a sellotape. This loop is used to hang the paper flower. Now start pasting the petals to this centerpiece. Start with the bigger petals. Basically the bigger petals are in the outer layer and smaller petals are in the inner layer. Make sure you keep same size of petals in each layer. The flower is ready. Now let's make the disc part of the flower. Take a long paper of 30 cm length and 4 cm width. Make a fold and cut crosswise up to the fold. Now roll this paper from one end to the other. This piece will get into the center part of the flower. Paste it with a glue. This gives more natural look to the flower. Very simple, isn't it? If I am able to make, anyone can make. Next, let's begin with the next flower. For that you need crepe paper of 90 into 30 cm. Fold this piece of paper until you get 4 cm width. These folds will create an impression to do a Z fold. Do a Z fold with 4 cm for each folds. The fold should be done from one end to the other. Now keep this piece of paper aside. Let's begin with the next set of paper. For that you need 4 pieces of crepe paper which are 90 into 60 centimeter. Lay all the papers together. Keep the papers one after the other. So here we have 4 crepe papers. So the papers are laid and we are going to mark 4 centimeter width. I'm going to do Z fold for this paper as well with 4 centimeter for each and every folds. So doing Z fold from one end to the other. The papers are folded very well. Trim a curve in both the ends of the paper. This will give a neat look to your flower. Open this pink paper and lay it. Now we are going to keep the purple paper which we have already folded. Trim curves at both the ends of this purple paper as well. Lay these papers like this in align to the folds. We are going to fold from one end to the other. As these folds are already there, it will be very easy to fold it again. Now we are going to tie the center to secure these papers. Use metal string or any high quality string. We are almost ready with the flower. Now we are just going to take out these papers from the folds. Make sure you do it very carefully. As these papers are crepe and they are very light, they tend to get teared off. Bringing in both the ends together, stapling it to form a round shape. That's it, a very simple, beautiful flower is ready now. Next we will see the next type of flower. This is same like how we have done the previous one. There we have used 2 colors, pink and purple, but here I have used 3 colors. You can play with the colors of your choice, you can use your favorite one. For this flower, after doing Z fold and after securing the center of the folded piece, I am going to open only 2 colors here and keeping the orange paper as a base for the flower and opening only the top 2 colors. The purple and the green will be opened up and the orange color will be kept as a base for the flower. This gives a different look and it is very beautiful. Very simple, isn't it? Give it a try guys and make your celebration more colorful with these paper flowers. I have added these paper flowers to the balloon arch and that gives a different and good look to the decoration. Thank you all for watching. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until that, it's Jan signing off. Take care. Bye bye guys.